Hello, how are you? I would like to demonstrate the operation of the vacuum freezer dryer type YK-11A-50. At first, we connected the line, the well line, such this. The power source is 220 volt and 3 phase. Like this, then we turn to the menu of the machine here. The screen shows USB disk is not exist. You can insert the USB disk or not the USB disk. It's alright. If you have the USB disk, it can save your data, so you can application for the later. Then I press OK. Then you go into the interface of the operation. At first, you press English. There's something need you pay attention. It shows appropriate power source. We press OK because just now we connected the wire line. Then precaution for operation. There's 3 items for the precaution for operating. At first, 1. Please be sure the inspection before starting. 2. Always pay attention to the operation of the machine. 3. The vacuum pump must be maintained according to the use condition to ensure normal operation. Then we put inspecting. Here there's the 4 items for to be pay attention. Vacuum oil check, and check the drain and the exhaust valve. Here the drain and exhaust valve here. Wow. This is a drain valve or the extracting valve here. If you want to start the machine, you should to lock the valve. Then please ensure that the door of the chamber have been closed. At first, you should load on the material here on the tray. Maybe before you need the pre-treatment or slice it, or maybe the liquid. You just pour in, spray on the tray. Then you put the probe, the sensor of the probe here to detect the temperature of the material. And there's another one probe of the sensor put on another tray. Then close the door, close the window door here. Oh, wait a minute here. It's better to lock in the meantime, 2 sides. The left side and the right side to lock appropriate, not too tight, not too loose, because if you to tighten it will maybe to keep this, to make this to change the shape. So lock appropriate, that's okay. Then press the temperature detecting sensor for the drying material. Just now we mentioned the probe here on the material on the tray. Then all the expansion down. Just now we do all the expansion down here. Then starting the operation, start the switch here. Just now we haven't confirmed the heating position. You need to confirm the extraction heating. The temperature setting here. Then we confirm. So we turn to the start the screen. Back to the display. Then we press the start switch here. So the power on. Then compressor, the refrigerant compressor here. It means all the material the backer has load on the tray. Then vacuum switch and heater switch. Turn on. When you cross the window door, you need to test the vacuum. So you press this vacuum test switch here. So the vacuum degree will change. That's okay, because right now it's below the 600 torr. It means it's close appropriate. It's okay. So then you just watch the change of the data. Okay, then we turn to the PowerPoint here. At the first step, pre-treatment and loading container here. Loading container. Just now we mentioned the tray here. It's this step. And freezing at a more pressure. You need to press the English here. Then just now there is the 3.2 precaution and put inspection. 4 item to be expected. Vacuum oil check. I'll show you vacuum oil check here. That is vacuum pump, and inside there's the window. You can see the vacuum oil, the lever, just between the window inside. Just now we mentioned check drain and exhaust valve here. At the back of the machine here. Right now is closed here. And please ensure that the door of the chamber have been closed here. Just now we locked the prepared. Not too tight, not too loose. And place the temperature detecting sensor for the drying material. Here, the probe placing into insert into the material. Okay, next. Then you start the switch and start the compressor. That means the refrigerant compressor. And you also switch on the vacuum switch and the heat switch. And then you need to test the vacuum valve here. Switch this here. But beforehand, you need to confirm the heating. Beforehand, you need to set the heating procedure setting. Anytime you check the shelf temperature and the condensing temperature and the upper item temperature and the lower item temperature and the vacuum degree. It will beneficial for you to sentence if it is have been fine drying. Just now we mentioned the shelf temperature. Right now is minus 22.3 and the condenser temperature. Shelf temperature is here. This is the shelf. And condenser temperature here. And this is condenser. Condenser temperature shows here. And the upper item temperature, upper here. We have two sensor probe. One up is here and down is here. So you insert the two item temperature sensor. And the lower item temperature here. Lower item temperature here. And the vacuum degree right now is 500.6.6. It needs to be down low to maybe -3 or -2. And the shelf temperature is over the same. The upper item temperature is over the same to shelf temperature, and the lower item temperature is almost the same to the shelf temperature. Then it means the material is over the fine drain. Collecting when it's okay, continue. Okay, that's all.